In this short guide, the Custom Test Builder and Adaptive Language Tests, creating assessments in any language, measured against CEFR levels.
The Custom Test Builder creates tests in whichever language you choose. Name it, pick the target language, Spanish here, and describe what you want to assess. You can measure against CEFR levels, A1 through C2, or ask for a placement estimate. Choose a familiar exam format as the base, or go fully custom and define every section yourself. Pick your sections, configure each one, audio clips, question types, durations, and generate. We have a separate video going through the Custom Test Builder in depth, if you want the detail.
Adaptive language tests are the quickest version of this. Either target a specific CEFR level, or simply ask the system to assess whatever level the learner is actually at, which is usually what you want. Choose the language, generate, and assign it to your students.
And that is custom and adaptive tests in PrepareBuddy. Get a demo at PrepareBuddy.com.